Apple is granted a patent for a folding screen without any creases. Apple may launch a folding iPhone or iPad in the near future after obtaining a patent on foldable screen technology without creases. According to Patently Apple, Apple's patent was published by the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office on its website on March 7. In particular, the profile describes that in the fold area, the glass is made thinner, forming a groove when bent. And the company also fills its groove to protect the screen by using a polymer coating, and processed by applying UV rays, heat, catalysts and many other technologies. In addition, the glass composition of this folding screen will change. The company can use potassium instead of sodium when making glass surfaces. This creates compressive stress in the treated surface layer, helping the glass limit damage caused by scratches and abrasion. Industry experts from Korea say Apple will launch a folding iPhone or iPad in 2026. While TF Securities expert Ming-Chi Kuo believes that Apple's first product with a folding screen will be the Macbook 20.3 inches, expected to be announced in 2027.